Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia 515, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform first setup on this device. Well, first I need to choose the language we want to use. In my case it's English, so choose English language, then wait a while, and here we need to set up date and time to the 15 May, so 05 months 2023. Time, now I have 18:02. Time zone London, and OK. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.